It's gonna be a really interesting ride to solve this derivative geometrically. So let's see how we do that. Okay, so we basically begin with a rectangle. So that's how we introduce area. Uh, okay, so let this rectangle have the side length of x and 1 by x. Yeah, and in that way, the total area of the rectangle will just be 1 by x times x. That will just be 1. Now we are interested in the change in 1 by x. Yeah, so this will just be minus 1 by x square. Yeah, so basically what we need to obtain is d of 1 by x is actually minus 1 by x square, and then this dx goes in the other way, times dx. So what we want is basically the change in 1 by x will just be minus 1 by x square and times change in x. So we are interested in the change in x and change in 1 by x. So if we make a slight change in 1 by x, yeah, let's say, okay, no, this is not change in 1 by x. Okay, so if we make a slight change in 1 by x, yeah, if this is a delta 1 by x, if we are increasing it, there will also be a slight change in x. Yeah, basically x will decrease. So since x is decreasing, this is basically the minus delta x. Yeah, if we basically increase 1 by x, this will decrease. Yeah, this will decrease if this will increase. Because the area has to be constant. Area just has to be 1 square units. Yeah, so to conserve the area, if we increase the 1 by x side, the x will decrease. Okay, so now also observe that this increased area over here and this decreased area over here, these has to be equal. Yeah. So by this, what I mean is uh, delta 1 by x. Yeah, this times this length is x, and suppose this is just a small change d, yeah, and not delta. In that case, this thing over here can be ignored. Yeah, if the change is very small, this can be ignored. Okay, so delta 1 by x times x will just be equals to, yeah, the area of this rectangle will be equals to minus delta x times 1 by x, minus delta x times 1 by x, isn't it? Now we can take let me take it like this, delta of 1 by x, delta of x. Yeah, now we can take x to other side, so that gives me delta of 1 by x is equals to minus delta x by x squared. Yeah, and now if since is small, we can write this as d of 1 by x is equals to minus 1 by x squared dx, and that proves this statement. So this was it. This was it, and the geometric condition is also pretty good. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and also do try for like others such as finding derivative of sine x, finding derivative of cos x, finding derivative of x itself using geometric interpretation. That is a good exercise for you guys to do. And yeah, I also have a video about like discussing the 3b1b's calculus video series in the live section. There also I have done such problems. Hope you enjoyed that video too, and look forward to seeing the upcoming videos.